Today, I'm showing you 2 ideas for Ramadan favor boxes. These ideas are simple, affordable, and so cute. They're easy, fast to do, and don't need a lot of materials. Even the decoration is simple and creative. First, you'll need a 9 by 20 centimeter paper. Fold the paper in half. Mark 4.5 centimeters from this side and from this side as well. Then use this type of nail file and the ruler to make a straight dent from here to make folding the paper easier. Do the same technique for the other side as well. Then fold the paper using the marks you just made. Connect both sides together like this. To seal it, we need to punch holes on these sides. Then get a piece of ribbon or macrame rope, whatever you like, and push it through the holes to tie everything together. The favor box is now done. You can keep it like this, or decorate it the way you like. You can decorate it using foam paper or a sticker you like. I'm using this tape roll because it's small and will help me draw the crescent moon. The result is so beautiful, chic, and most importantly, it's easy to make. Next, you'll need a 20 by 21 centimeter paper. I marked 1 centimeter from this side and made a dent using this nail file and a ruler to make it easier to fold. Place a double-sided tape on the folded edge. Fold the paper in half, like this. Then fold it in half again. Mark 4 centimeters and fold this side, like this. Do the same for the opposite side, then fold it in half, like this. Cut the corners diagonally. Make sure you cut them in the same size as much as possible. Then open it and you'll get this shape. I will decorate it by hand using this white marker. You can choose whatever type or color marker you want. After multiple failed attempts, I managed to write the phrase properly. It's time to cut it, and that's it. It's time to close it. Now close the other side. Look how cute it turned out. It took 2 minutes to do and very little materials. Don't forget to tell me which idea you liked best and tag me if you made them yourselves. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.